Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Tesla Cybertruck logo. First, grab a pencil and paper. Begin by sketching a basic rectangle, which will serve as the foundation for your logo. Next, divide this rectangle into 3 equal vertical sections. Then, find the exact center point along the top edge of your middle section. This initial setup is crucial for maintaining the logo's distinctive proportions and sharp angles, making the drawing process much easier. Now, let's define the iconic T-shape. From the center point you marked earlier, draw a straight diagonal line down to the bottom left corner of your middle section. Repeat this by drawing another diagonal line from the same center point to the bottom right corner. These 2 lines form the main body of the T. Finally, add a short horizontal line at the very top, connecting the 2 diagonal lines to complete the crossbar of the T symbol. Next, we'll incorporate the C element that subtly frames the T. From the top left corner of your initial rectangle, draw a straight line downwards. As you draw, angle this line slightly inward, moving it towards the center of your drawing. Continue this line until it meets the bottom left corner of your original rectangle. This creates the distinct left side of the Cybertruck logo, giving it its unique and modern appearance, complementing the T-shape. To finalize your Cybertruck logo, carefully erase all the initial guidelines you used. This will leave only the clean, sharp edges of the logo. Now, take your pencil and darken the main outline of the entire Cybertruck logo, making it stand out clearly. For an extra touch, you can add a subtle shadow or a bit of thickness to the lines, giving your drawing a cool, 3-dimensional effect. You've successfully drawn the Cybertruck logo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.